What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you the Joker boot animation for your J2 Prime. But before we get into all of that, make sure you check the description. There are links for these boot animations. Also make sure you have TWRP as well. I'm just gonna show you the animations that I have. So I have four, but for this specific video I'm just gonna be showing you the Joker boot animation. So what you're just gonna have to do is restart your phone into recovery mode after you download the boot animations. So as you can see, here's a preview of one of the boot animations that I have installed. Sorry for the very unstable video. This is my first time recording a video like this. I think if you probably check on my channel, I usually don't upload videos using a live video recording. So what you just have to do is press install, go into the directory that you have downloaded the boot animation. So for this video I'm just gonna use the Joker boot animation. You just swipe to your right. It's just gonna take a little bit of time to install, and then after that you just press reboot and you'll be good to go. So it might take about 30 seconds or 15 seconds stuck on this screen right here. So as this is happening, guys, make sure you press that subscribe button and like this video as well. Comment down in the comment section if you want to see more mods of this phone. I am also gonna do a ROM review as well. I have different kind of ROMs. I have extreme heads. I'm also using Enigma ROM right here. I'll leave the link right in the description. So as I said, it's going to take a little bit of time to boot into actually boot itself. Okay, so now it's booting. As you can probably see, that's the Joker's face. It's going to make a little laughing sound as well. And as you see, it starts taking off this crazy boot animating style. So I have other styles. You can also go for the Joker. This is the Joker style. You can also go for the ROG boot animation, which looks very sick. You can also go for Watch Dogs as well. I'll link all those right in the description. Make sure you subscribe if you have a J2 Prime. This is very easy for you. I can show you how to root and also how to do crazy stuff. Don't mind the password. Okay, so as you see, everything is back to normal. No boot loop or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you which version I'm using right now. So I am using an SMG 532F, which is the model that I'll be using, guys. So that'll be it for this video. Make sure you drop that like as well, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press that bell icon. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.